Alright guys, how's it going? My god, that last video caused some division. I get called a smuck and everything just because I suggested that it's probably best to render out an image sequence. Hey look, sure Blender, you do what you like, but it certainly was entertaining. But let me show you the holdout technique. Now I actually had a product rendered during the week and it did come in handy. Now I had something very similar. I had the product, I had a background, I had a few lights kicking, but the client only wanted the object. Now there's a few things I could have done. I could have done an alpha matte, I could have rendered it out in different layers, but the holdout came in handy. It was quite complex scene, to be honest. But the reason I wanted the holdout is because the client liked the way the shadows and the reflections was bouncing back up off the object. It does create a little bit of realism. So the holdout function's pretty damn easy. If you go to the object properties, drop down visibility, you'll see it here, holdout, and it's actually under shadow catcher. And all you do is enable holdout. Now at the moment it's black, but it's technically rendering out as transparent. You can double check this. If you actually come to the render properties, open up film and enable transparency. And you can see I've now had the HDRI image and I've now also had the background, or it's all transparent. So when I render this out, perfect. But you can also kind of do this in reverse. So what I'll do here is I'll actually select the object, I'll go back into object properties, I'll disable the holdout again, and this time I'll select the main object. And what I can do here is I can go to material properties and I can change this from a principal shader, for example, to a holdout. Now this works in Eve and cycles, I believe, and you can see here it kind of acts like a template. So maybe you're doing something like a TV screen or a window or something. So this is where the holdout shader and the holdout techniques certainly comes into play. Do me a favour guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel, just hit that goddamn button, it costs you absolutely nothing. Follow me on Twitter, you know what to do. Take care.